my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we want to make a beautiful and very simple baby blanket pattern together, and for this pattern we need to make a multiple of 7 chains plus 2. So make a slip knot and then start chaining. I made 23 chains and now start my work from second chain. Skip the first and make 1 single crochet into second chain. Now make 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and skip the first chain and go to the second chain and make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 half double crochet into the next. Yarn over, insert the hook into next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through these 3 loops. Go to next chain and make 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Then go to next chain and make 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, and insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And make 1 double treble crochet into last chain, yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into the last chain, and pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And after these 5 stitches, go back to these foundation chains and skip 6 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and make 1 single crochet into next chain. Repeat that work. Make 6 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and make 5 stitches into these 5 chains from the second chain. Skip the first, make 1 single into second, 1 half double crochet into third chain just made, 1 double crochet into fourth chain, 1 treble crochet into fifth chain, and 1 double treble crochet into sixth chain, and go back to foundation chains, skip 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 chain, and make 1 single crochet into next. And repeat that work. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 single, 1 half double, 1 double, 1 treble, and 1 double treble. And skip next 6 chain and make 1 single crochet into next chain. You have to repeat this work and continue this sequence. Now I skip 1 2 3 4 5 6 and make 1 single into last chain. And row 1 is finished. Now I want to start row 2 with same yarn, but if you want to make your pattern with 2 yarn, you have to cut the yarn here and start next row with second yarn. I continue my work with same yarn. Make 1 2 3 4 and 5 chain, turn the work, and make 1 slip stitch into this skipped chain here. We made 6 chains and skip the first stitch, first chain, and now we have to make 1 slip stitch into that skipped chain. Then go to next 5 chains and make next stitches into remaining loops of them. First make 1 single crochet into remaining loop of first chain, then make 1 half double crochet into remaining loop of the second chain, then make 1 double crochet into remaining loop of next chain, 1 treble crochet into remaining loop of next chain, and 1 double treble crochet into remaining loop of next chain. And after that, go to next pattern and make 1 slip stitch into the first chain that skipped here, and repeat that work. 1 single crochet into first stitch, 1 half double crochet into next, 1 double into the next, 1 treble crochet into the next, and 1 double treble crochet into last stitch. And after that, go to next pattern and make 1 slip stitch into first skipped chain, and continue this work to next 5 stitches and repeat this sequence until the end. Now I'm at the end of row 2, and after last repeat I have 1 stitch left. Make 1 double treble crochet into that, yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into last stitch, that's a single crochet, and complete this stitch 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. And now we have to start row 3. You can change the yarn again at the end of this row and continue your work with first yarn, but I want to continue my work with same yarn. Make a chain and turn the work and make 1 single crochet into first stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chain, and skip the first chain just made and make 1 single into second, 1 half double into next, 1 double into the next, 1 treble crochet into next, and 1 double treble crochet into last. And after this work, go to this slip stitch of previous row here between 2 patterns and make 1 single crochet into that, and repeat that work. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chain, and make 1 single, 1 half double, 1 double, 1 treble and 1 double treble into these 5 chains. And after that, go to this slip stitch between these 2 patterns of previous row here and make 1 single crochet into that, and repeat this sequence. You have to continue this work until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of row 3, and after this pattern I have to make 1 single crochet into 5th chain of these 5 beginning chains, not into last slip stitch before that. Okay, don't make single crochet here, but make single crochet into this 5th chain of beginning chains of previous row, and row 3 is finished. Then we have to repeat these 2 rows, row 2 and row 3, several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. I made this pattern in larger size and with 2 yarns, and you can see that. That's very beautiful and very nice pattern. You can use that for any project you want. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.